Welcome everybody to our channel. Today we should learn the basic concepts of ledger. So let's start our today's topic, ledger. So our ledger means the principal book where various transactions recorded in journal are posted in different accounts in a summarized and classified form is called ledger. So in case of ledger, the transactions which are recorded in journal are transferred or are posted in ledger in different accounts. So here the different accounts means, according to the British approach, there are three types of accounts, that is nominal account, second one is real account, and third one is our personal account. Whereas according to American approach, there are five types of accounts, that is asset account, liability account, capital account, expenses account, and income account. So in case of ledger, generally transactions recorded in our journal are posted in a summarized and classified form in different accounts, that is all the assets should be recorded in asset account, all the liabilities should be recorded in our liabilities account, and transactions relating to the capital are posted in capital account, and all the expenses should be posted in our expenses account, and all the revenues or incomes should be recorded in our income account. So as the transactions are recorded from journal to ledger, so our journal is called book of primary entry, and as the transactions are posted into ledger from the journal, so our ledger is called book of secondary entry. That means transactions are second time recorded in the ledger. So the transactions, the first recorded in journal and then it is posted into the ledger. That's why the ledger is called book of secondary entry. It is also called the book of final entry, as the transactions are finally incorporated in the journal. That means the ultimate destination of the transactions is our ledger. So the ledger is also called book of final entry. Sometimes the ledger may be called the chief book of accounts, as it is very important to prepare a trial balance and prepare our final accounts. So it is also called the chief book of account. So in case of journal, generally it is broadly divided into two forms. One is our bound ledger, where no addition of additional pages is possible. That means we cannot make any additional accounts in case of bound form of ledger. Then our second form of ledger is loose leaf ledger. That means where addition of new account is possible. Generally, in case of ledger, separate page numbers is assigned to different ledgers. So each ledger has a separate page number. So in case of bound ledger, all the pages are assigned to different accounts. So when there is new account arises, it is not possible in case of bound ledger to add the new ledger accounts, but in case of loose leaf form, the addition of new accounts, that means there is some additional pages may be added in our ledger in case of loose leaf ledger, whereas it is not possible in case of bound ledger. So in case of bound ledger, addition of new account is not possible, or new accounts cannot be opened in case of bound ledger, and in case of loose leaf ledger, addition of new accounts or addition of new pages is possible in case of loose leaf form of ledger accounts. So now come to the characteristics of our ledger. Features of our ledger are: it is the book of secondary entry. Then second feature is it provides informations in classified manner or classified form. Then third feature is it has two sides, that is debit side and credit side. Then next feature is it is the chief or main book of account. Then next feature is it is considered as a permanent record. Then our next feature is it provides full information about a particular account. Then our next feature of ledger is it may be kept in the form of bound ledger or loose leaf ledger. Then our last but not the least features of ledger is it provides basis to prepare final account. So these are the features of our ledger. So now come to the specimen of our ledger. So the specimen of ledger. Generally it has two sides. One is debit side and right hand side is known as credit side, and each side has four columns. That is, first column is date column, then second column is our particulars column, and third column is our JF or folio column, and fourth column is our amount column. Similarly, in case of credit side, there is also four columns, that is date column, particulars column, journal folio column and amount column. In date column, we should record the date of our transaction, and in particulars column, we should record the transactions by which the particular ledger is debited or credited, and in journal folio, or it is otherwise known as folio column, we should record the page number of a journal from where it is posted, and in amount column we should record the amount of the transactions. Generally, each ledger account started with opening balance, which may be debit balance or credit balance, and ends with closing balance, that is balance CD, and generally opening balance is written as or balance BD, which indicates balance brought down, and CD means carried down, and then our ledger account should be closed, and the balance of each ledger account generally transfer to our trial balance, from where we should prepare our final accounts. So these are the features and the specimen of our ledger account. So now come to the advantages of our ledger. So our advantages are: it enables to ascertain items of revenue. It also enables to ascertain the items of our expenses. It also enables to ascertain the amount of assets. It also enables to ascertain the liabilities of our company or of our organization. The next advantage is it facilitates in preparing trial balance. It also facilitates in preparing final account. The last but not the least advantages of ledger is it enables to get informations, to get full informations regarding various accounts. At any time. So these are the all about our ledger. Generally, in case of ledger, to means of and by means from, and the process of recording or transferring transactions from journal to ledger is called posting. So the posting means the transferring transactions from journal to ledger is called our posting. So these are all about our ledger. So repeatedly watch this video to get a better knowledge on the ledger and share it with all your friends to give them opportunity to enhance their knowledge on ledger. Thank you.